What's up, guys? Girl Kayla back again with another video. Today, I don't know what the fuck we're doing today, bitch. I just started recording. I had an idea in my head. I don't know what the fuck idea was, but like, damn, bitch. I'm gonna do for the story time. Oh, by the time I got my cat, I think I was in middle school. I think I've had this cat for like 2 years now. 3 years. Oh, we're gonna. Look, the viewers want to see you, boo. This is Tater Tot, y'all. Tater Tot. She's got really big. She did. Oh, look at her thick ass. Yes, that's Tater Tot. So my mama texted me, Kayla, do you want a cat? I was like, fuck yeah, I want a cat, bitch. I only want a cat. And so when I got up, she said we're getting the cat today, or maybe tomorrow. I couldn't get the cat that day because they live somewhere else. I don't know what was going on, but like they couldn't get the cat no more because they were moving, and they were a military family, and they couldn't get the cat. I think they were going to military base, moving there. I don't fucking know, but they were a military family, and they couldn't get the cat, so I got the cat. And when I got that cat, I love that cat so much. Bitch, I love that cat so much. I'm so dramatic. I'm so fucking dramatic. I literally like the cat so much. And when I first got her, she ran out of the bed. And it took me maybe like an hour or so, like, to connect with her or something. Because you can't connect with my dog from the get-go, like that. So like me and her, we have this really good connection. Like she give me kisses, she give me kisses on her lips, and like she's my best friend. I love her more than my whole family. No offense to my family. But yeah, I'm really thankful I got her. She's my bitch, right, girl? You my bitch. Don't you fucking bite me, bitch. You my 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 bitch. Anyways. I'll see you guys next time. I'm sorry if this was like a really boring ass story time, but like shit, I ain't got nothing else to do, bitch. I ain't got no more stories for you, bitch. But honey, that's the tea. That's the tea, honey. Comment, like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for those notifications, bitch. Turn on the bell. Turn on that bell. Hit the fucking bell, bitch. Give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe. Like if you haven't already. And make sure to comment under this video, bitch. Bye. More shiny nights.